Oh, I didn't see you guys there. Hey all, there's Jan. So today I am going to be showing you guys my squishy vending machine I made like a few months ago. I was still trying to make my YouTube channel and get all the things ready for it and stuff like that. My background, by the way, is my room, so. But anyways, yeah. And I'm so excited. I'm sorry if I haven't like been showing toy openings or stuff because like I don't have those toys right now. Like right now. I only have like my squishies and stuff. But yeah. Oh, if you guys check out my next video, it's gonna be like K-pop. So yeah, that's all I can tell you. That's all I can tell you. But anyways, let's get into this video. Okay, so my squishy vending machine is pretty big. It does reject. So here's this bad boy. If you guys can see. Here. That's why I set it down on the ground. And then they... Oh, okay. That's not gonna work. So we're just gonna have to put you guys like that. So here's my squishy vending machine. It's pretty big, as you guys can tell already. So, yeah, we're just gonna work our way through it. So down here, as you guys can see, is the prize box. So yeah, I have this little pink flap, and there is nothing in there. Here, let me show you guys some proof. Ugh. So there is nothing in here. If you guys are wondering, only my face. So yeah. So there's nothing in here. Yeah. Basically. Okay. I'm gonna have to move back for this one. Okay. I'm not crying. Don't worry. Don't worry. Being happy. Okay, so this is it, basically. So at the top, this is the slot where it ejects, basically. So I have a penny with me. And it's obviously going to be rejected. Like boom. Like boom. Rejected. I have a dime. Rejected. 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 And I have a nickel, which is also going to be rejected. Like boom. Like so. So yeah, the quarters are not rejected. So yeah, so basically let's go over here. There is a blue popsicle stick. And you could either pick slot number 1 here or number 2. And I'm going to pick number 1. So just shove it basically and randomly. So yeah, and then you go over here again. Let's go over here again. Then you basically put it back in. And then go up here. Pull this flap. And then there is your prize. I'm sorry, this thing is huge. Look, pull out your price. And I got this cake thingy. So I'm gonna, so hard, you guys, so hard. Okay, so let's take the popsicle stick and then shove it in here. And then have your prize box thingy. Yes, Mom. And then here's your squishy. Later. So yeah, basically. Now I'm gonna show you guys the mechanism. Oh, is that it? Yeah. Later, Mom. So here is the back. Okay, so right here is the prize box. The place that's opening. Oh, well, so prize box right here. Hi guys. Don't know if you guys can see me or not, but and then this spot is where I like place my squishies. So over here is where I place my squishies. Later. So yeah, that's where I place my squishies. Yeah, I hear ya, Mom. Okay, so I'm gonna place it right here. So this is, do you see that? Yeah. So basically, you enter your coin, and then you take your popsicle stick, like I said again, and then you're gonna push, and then the squishy will fall down, like that, basically. Then you put it back. Go down here to the prize, open it, and I don't know if you guys can see it, or because there is your prize, and here's your prize. So yeah, that's basically how that part works, and then you just refill it up here. So yeah, now we're gonna go all the way up here, you guys. That is, yeah, that's nothing, but yeah. So here is where the magic happens. So basically that's that. Up here is the coin spot. Basically put in a quarter. It won't fall. So yeah, and then right here where all of my squishies are is basically where I place my squishies. It's that like little spot of the window. And then here it's like an open slot. And then instead of just going like all the way upstairs, because I usually put my squishy vending machine downstairs, instead of going all the way upstairs, I like put squishies that I'm gonna sell in there. And then that when this top spot is empty, and then I could just grab it like that. So yeah, basically. And most of these squishies are homemade, so yeah, it's best to sell, right? And yeah, that's basically my home squishy vending machine. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to become an official butterfly. Thumbs up. Comment down below if like you have any other suggestion I could do besides squishies, and what kind of toys you want me to open, or what do you want me to do. And kiss for you too. Bye.